Welcome to Greatmats, where you can expect great service. Today I'll be talking about trade show flooring. Our trade show flooring options will cover indoor and outdoor events as well. Many setups are 10 by 10 foot booths and larger. Ease of installation and portability come to mind as common customer requirements for trade show flooring. Our interlocking foam tiles and our interlocking carpet tiles meet both of these needs. Because standing all day is really common at a trade show, you might want to consider purchasing a floor that has a certain amount of cushion. Now our foam mats will fit this bill really well. For the right look and feel, our interlocking wood grain foam tiles are a very popular option for trade show booths. One thing to consider though, because they're foam, they're going to be less durable than interlocking carpet tiles, for example, against high heels. Another high-end option with a wood grain look would be our Max Tile modular floor tile that has a vinyl top surface and is very durable. Now for outdoor events and venues, you might want to consider one of our modular perforated floor tiles such as the patio outdoor floor tile or the tent event floor tile. Both of these floor tiles will allow moisture to run underneath the floor tile. They're both rated for outdoor use. Artificial grass turf rolls can also be used for indoor and outdoor event flooring. Please review our website for more product information and sample options, or give us a call and speak to a knowledgeable customer service associate. Thanks for watching.